Hello everybody and welcome back. So, it has officially been 7 days since I started using Athena Mystic Gardens face balm, beard balm to grow facial hair or to try to help it. Now, I'm going to submit some pictures up here to show you my before and after shaving. So I done no shave November in November. I shaved my face and then let it go the whole month. And I want you to see that reference, so because anybody can say, oh, I'm just starting and I don't want to know what is. This is all in a week. And it's crazy because usually I wouldn't gain this in a month. And ironically, I was at work and I'm just noticing or whatever. So I figured I would do an update video. From this point forward, I'm gonna only do the face balm once every 3 days until my container is gone. I also probably won't do another video unless I get questions and comments about that very thing until the jar of cream is completely gone. Thanks for watching and stay casual. Whoop whoop.